So everyone, we've got our first bluebell of the season here in the woodland of 2023, and the warm early April sun is warming it up, and it's such a beautiful sight to see. The new season is here. It wouldn't be a spring moment without fresh water flowing over an old walkway. So I think the spring is quite recent in terms of hydrology, and it's taken over the old path and it's flowing down and slowly taking it away. We have two sets of bluebells here in the sun, just shining. There's an old blackberry bush as well that's not quite there yet with spring, but these bluebells are rising and it's season.